Vasto teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT, chapter 6 triangle, theorem 6.3. 6.3 if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. It is exercise theorem 6.3. So what is given? Triple A proof. Given in triangle ABC and DF, angle A equal to D, B equal to E and C equal to F. It is given. You want to prove both the triangles are similar. For the proof of this, one is smaller and one is greater. So in greater triangle, cut the two sides of a smaller. From D, measure DP equal to AB. DP is equal to AB. DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. This is the construction. Proof. First of all, prove these two triangles congruent. And AB is equal to DP. AC is equal to DQ. Angle A equal to angle D given. It is by construction. So by SAS congruency that I have written here. SAS similarity is also there. Triangle ABC congruent to DPQ. So angle B is also equal to angle this. Angle B is equal to angle DPQ. Why? By CPCT. But in the given angle B is equal to angle E. It is given. If it is given, then compare these two. What result you are getting? Angle DPQ is equal to angle E. Angle DPQ is equal to angle E. These are pair of corresponding angles. By pair of corresponding angles, PQ must be parallel to EF. If it is parallel, then in triangle DEF, what will you get? PQ parallel to EF proved above. So by BPT, what you can write? DP upon D is equal to DQ upon DF. DP upon D is equal to DQ upon DF. You have written this by the basic proportionality theorem. Now, DP upon D, but DP is equal to AB by construction. So at the place of DP, you can write AB. I have written here. At the place of DQ, you can write AC. I have written here construction. So now you are getting AB upon D is equal to AC upon DF. This you have proved. Now, same thing when the construction will be changed. Similarly, when you start the construction not from D, from E, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Here ABC, AB and BC you are constructing. AB equal to P and BC is equal to EQ. Then same process you adopt and you will get AB by D is equal to BC upon EF. You will get AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF. Now AB by D is AC upon EF. By comparing these two, you are getting all the three sides have same ratio. By these two, you are getting a result. All the three ratios are equal. It means it is SSS. So you can write by triple S similarity, triangle ABC similar to DF. Angles are already given equal. You have proved sides are proportional. Hence the triangle is similar. It is the proof of SSS, triple A similarity. Triple A given, proving by triple S. So next theorem is given. In the next theorem, you will get a theorem number 6.4. In the theorem number 6.4, what will you get? In the two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. And hence the two triangles are similar. Here you want to prove the corresponding angles. What do you want? Corresponding angles equal means it is a triple S similarity. What is called? Triple S you will prove by triple S is given. You want to prove angles are equal, and if the angles are equal, then it is a similar. So what will you do? In the given triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. It is given. One DF is greater than ABC. So you want to prove triangle ABC similar to DF. Construction, like a previous construction. From the bigger side, you cut the smaller side. DP equal to AB, DQ equal to this. This is equal and this is equal. Cut and join PQ. Now you see what is given. AB upon DE is given to AC upon DF. AB and AC replaced by DP and DQ. Why? Because of construction. Then these two are ratio in this triangle. Now only you see this triangle. This is the Q and this is P, D, E, F, and you have proved it is parallel. Why it is parallel? Because of converse of BPT. If the ratios are equal by this, DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF. It means converse of BPT, PQ is parallel to EF. So this angle must be equal to this angle. Angle DPQ is equal to angle E. Angle DQP, this angle is equal to this angle. Here also. By pair of corresponding angles. Now, these two triangles congruent, ABC and DEF. If these two are DPQ and now you will see DPQ. DPQ from the cut of DPQ and big triangle. Both the triangles, all the angles are equal. Angle D equal to D common, P equal to Q you have proved, E is equal to F you have proved. It means by AAA similarity both the triangles are similar or not? DPQ is similar to DEF. By AAA similarity, two angles I have proved here, proved above. One angle common, so the small triangle is similar to the big triangle. If it is similar, so sides of this TP by D is equal to PQ upon DQ upon DF is equal to PQ upon EF. By CPST, corresponding part of that similar triangle, you can write the CPST. What is called? CPCT for using the corresponding of congruent triangle. It is corresponding part of the similar triangle. You are getting three sides are in ratio. But AB by D, AC by DF, BC by, it is given. This is given here in the top. So again you replace AB by DP and AC by DQ by construction, then you are getting this. And one you have proved this. CPST. So compare these two ratios are equal. DP D equal and DQ DF equal, then what is equal? PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF. By first and second, what result you will get? PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF, and cut both. What are you getting? PQ is equal to BC. Now PQ is equal to BC you have got. And now both the small triangles you take. Triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. ABC. This equal to this by construction. This equal to this by construction. This equal to this we proved above. So what are you getting? By triple S, not similarity, congruency. Both the triangles are congruent. If it is congruent, then what about A? A equal to D, B equal to this, C is equal to this. Corresponding angles are equal by CPCT. Now these three you compare. DPQ is E, DQP is F, you have proved here. Now by these three and these you are getting A equal to D, B equal to E, C equal to F. So by triple A similarity, both the main triangles are similar. Triple S you are proving by triple A. It is the proof of triple S similarity. Now the theorem 6.5. Theorem 6.5 is given SAS similarity. What is given? SAS similarity. And in the SAS similarity, what is given here? If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of a triangle of the other triangle, and the side included, these triangles are proportional, then both are similar to each other. First of all, here given, what is given? Two sides. Angle A equal to angle D is given in this triangle. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is given. You want to prove? Triangle ABC similar to DEF. Proof. Previous construction cut. In bigger side, DP equal to AB, DC equal to DQ, join PQ. Proof. In triangle ABC and DPQ congruent by SAS congruency, you can prove. By SAS congruency, what will you get? DP is equal to, by these two triangles you are getting, this equal to this equal to this, ABC, and this angle is already given. So what will you get? By SAS similarity, congruency, not similarity, SAS congruency, both the triangles are similar, are congruent. If it is congruent, then what about B? B equal to P and C equal to Q, CPCT. Now, given both the sides are also proportional, AB by D is equal to AC by DF. What about AB replace DP, AC replace DQ? So DP by, in this triangle, you are getting here P and here Q, here D and E and F. DP, AB is replaced by DP by construction, AC is replaced by DQ by construction. So DP by D is equal to DQ upon DF. So by construction you have replaced AB and AC. Now by CBPT. CBPT means converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thales theorem. This line must be parallel to this line. Why? Because when the pair of two sides divide in the same ratio, then line must be parallel. PQ parallel to EF. If the PQ parallel, then what about these two angles? Corresponding, these are equal. P equal to E, Q equal to F. But P equal to B you have proved above, and Q is equal to C you have proved above. So comparing first and second, what will you get? Angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, angle EA is equal to angle D given. So all these three giving you triple A similarity. Triple A similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So all these three theorems, triple S similarity, triple A similarity, SAS similarity, you have proved. Generally these theorems were used in proof of the questions, not the proof of theorem. In this chapter, BPT, converse of BPT, area, Pythagoras, converse Pythagoras, 5 theorems for examination point of view. And these theorems only given, you prepare one time, and in board examination in general you use only these theorems for proof. Thanks for today.